Hello guys, today we will discuss DAX function count, count and countx. Count function is used to count the number of rows in a column that contains non-blank values. But always remember, if your data type is integer, then count function skip the blank values, and if your data type is text, then count function not skip the blank values. So you can see here, this is my data set. Here I have 6 columns. One is ID, amount, bonus, logical, joining and department. For ID, amount and bonus, data type is integer. For logical column, data type is boolean. For joining, data type is date. And for department, data type is text. Now let's start with count function. You can use count function with numeric, text, blank and date column. Count function does not support the logical values, or you can say boolean values. Now I will show you the measure for count function. So you can see here, this is simple measure. Count rows is my measure name, count is my function name, and sample table ID is my column name. Count function only support the column name, it does not support the any expression. So for ID column, here I have 4 values. I don't have any blank values, so that's why count function return the 4. For amount column, we have 3 values and 1 blank values. So count function returns the 3 because it skips the blank values, because for amount data type is integer. If you don't have any values, then count function returns the blank. And for joining column, we have 3 values and 1 blank values. So count function returns the 3 because it skips the blank values for date column. And for text column, we have 3 values and 1 blank values. So count function returns the 4 because department column data type is text, and if your data type is text, then count function not skip the blank values. So that's why it returns the total number of rows, and here we have total number of rows are 4. So that's why count function returns the 4. Count function does not support the boolean values. So you can see here in logical column we have boolean values in true and false format, but count function not support the booleans, so it will gives you error. You can see here the function count cannot work with value of type boolean. So count function support text, numeric, date and blank values and does not support the logical values. Now move to the count a function. Count a function also works the same like count function, but it support the logical values. So you can see here all results are same, and here count function also support the logical values. So I will show you the measure for count a function. This is simple measure and it supports only column name, same like count function. Count a with logical, this is my measure name. Count a is my function name. Sample table boolean is my column name. My original column name is boolean, but for display purpose I change the column name logical. So you can see here in logical column, or you can say in boolean column, we have 4 values. So that's why count a function returns the 4, and count a support the logical values. Now move to the COUNTX function. COUNTX function also works the same like count function. It support the 2 argument. One is table name, second one is expression, and it also support the filter function. So you can see here, this is measure for COUNTX function. COUNTX rows my measure name, COUNTX is my function name, sample table is my first argument, and here you can pass your dataset name or table name, comma, second is expression, here you can pass column name. So COUNTX function support the 2 argument, and you can see here all results are same, but it does not support the logical values, same like count function, and it support the filter function. You can use filter with COUNTX function. So I will show you the measure for COUNTX function with filter. So you can see here COUNTX with filter is my measure name, and here I want to get number of rows where amount equal to 1000. So you can see here in amount column for ID 2 and 4 we have 1000 amount. So it will return 2. So you can see here output 2. So this is simple measure. Count as is my function name. Filter is also my function name. Sample table is my first argument, comma. Sample table is my dataset name, and where amount equal to 1000. So it will return the number of rows where amount equal to 1000. So you can use filter with COUNTX function. It supports the two argument. One is table name, second one is expression. In the expression you can pass any column name. So hope you clear the difference between count, COUNTA and COUNTX. All function works the same, but COUNTA function support the logical values and COUNTX support the two argument, and you can use filter with COUNTX function. Thank you guys.